If you've rented the Yorkville LP LED lighting package, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know so you can use it with confidence. Who needs this light? Basically, everybody can use this light. It's very versatile. It does white, warm white, red, green, and blue LED. It can blend those in any color combination that you can imagine. It has 16 preset colors that it will do, and in a user mode, you can set up any color. This is really good for stage productions. It can also be used for DJ setups or live band performances. The controls on the back are pretty simple. If you put it to on, simply adjust the brightness from 0 to 100% and then use the individual knobs for each fixture to choose the color that you want. If you're controlling this fixture with the standard DMX controller, your DMX in and outs are here, and you use the dip switches to select what DMX channel you're going to be on. If you're using the Yorkville controller, you plug in here for in and out, and you can connect multiple fixtures together and controlled with one controller. When using the controller, simply plug your output out of here and into the back of the light. You can hook up 3 different light bars and control them individually. To use the controller and record scenes, select the scene that you want to affect, 1 through 12, set the color and intensity for each light, and that's it. To recall that scene, simply push the button and it recalls. To use the app, go to the App Store and look up Yorkville LP Controller and download it. Once you're in, simply connect the lights, select at the top the Bluetooth setting you've set on the back of the light. Here, we're syncing it with A. Next, simply choose the color and intensity of the lights. It's pretty awesome. To give you an idea of what it looks like as front lighting for stage, I've set the light just behind the camera and turned off all my other video lighting. This is a kind of a mix of warm and cool white together. I've turned off all my film lights except for the LP LED, which is just behind the camera. I've got some pinks and some purples here so you can kind of see the color quality. Now you know everything that you need to know to use this light successfully. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at the Doo Wop Shop. And if you have any other gear, be sure to check out the videos on how to use those too.